detail the relationship and background of that virus. Anyway, with that identification, we also built again PCR assays, real-time assays in that case, and could detect the virus in blood and serum samples, which was surprising in some way, because you also have to keep in mind that viral infections follow certain patterns and are usually quite different or variable in the order with which viremia, clinical symptoms, and antibody responses are staged and happen. And flavivirus are pretty well known for an early viremia, and at the time when you usually have severe symptoms and see the doctor, the viremia is mostly gone, and the antibody response is in place. So the classical test for West Nile virus is serology. So many of the diagnosticians said, well, it's a nice academic exercise to build a PCR assay, but it doesn't have great relevance for practical diagnosis. Until in 2002, cases of transmission of the virus by organ transplants or blood products were characterized. And that then triggered the release of PCR assays for blood product screening, and in 2003, the first mandatory blood donor screening processes were initiated in the United States nationwide. So that then justified the molecular approach and was one of the first applications of our methods. Now, West Nile virus is not truly a new virus. It was known, it was characterized, it was circulating in Africa, Europe, but it was new to the United States or the Western Hemisphere. Shortly thereafter, two new viruses appeared. That was one of the unfortunate advertisement campaigns in Hong Kong at the time. Reads Hong Kong will take your breath away. It sure did, yes. So if you recall, SARS coronavirus was circulated in 2003, and here the characterization of the virus happened through various channels, mostly because the virus grew rapidly and well in culture, and Mellon Paris was the first to obtain those cultures, and then many ways led to the characterization of SARS coronavirus, even consensus PCR reactions that were near to other agents, but because of the high concentration and some cross-reactivity, we still got results. But mainly, the agent was characterized by classical virological approaches. As you heard, we then were invited, Ian and me, to Beijing at the height of the outbreak to assist the Ministry of Science and Technology, who invited us, not the Ministry of Health, to assist them in building detection and assay capacity. Again, at that point in time, it was PCR assays. And just to mention that here, usually we select by bioinformatic tools the most conserved regions or biologically relevant regions.